இப்போதைக்கு அங்கே வச்சு ஸ்ட்ரீம் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? ரைட்டடா. Right. 45 seconds connected. Okay. Just 50 details. Salary. Mention. Clear. Inaugural will be here. Inaugural will be. For inaugural will be here. Please. Wi-Fi only. So please. Saran sir. Second or new link வந்திருக்குல. Second or new link வந்திருக்குல. அந்த லிங்க் எல்லாத்துக்கும் கொடுங்க. அனுப்பிச்சு எதுல போட்டுருக்கேன்? உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சு. Orientation not possible. Once during the inaugural we can manage because everything is there. After that we can take.
it is my great pleasure to welcome all to this ATAL Faculty Development Program organized by the AICTE associate with MGIET. We are thrilled to have such a diverse and enthusiastic group of educators gathered here, united by a common goal to enhance our teaching practices and contribute to the betterment of our educational institutions. As we commence our faculty development program, it is my privilege to invite our esteemed guests to share their insights with us. Next, we have Lakshmikant Reddy, the principal of MGIT. His commitment to fostering academic excellence is truly commendable. I welcome you to the class. We are also honored to welcome Dr. Venkat Rao, the principal of our MBA program, whose extensive experience enriches our academic community. Additionally, let us extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sharvanan, our Director of Academics. His dedication to curriculum development plays a vital role in enhancing our educational offerings. Finally, it is an honor to introduce our chief guest, Dr. P. Raja. His expertise and insights will provide great value to our discussions. I invite all the dignitaries to lighten the lamp. I invite our triple student for prayer song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
Now I invite Sulaprabha Madam to welcome Arjun.
Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to our beloved chairman, Mr. M.R. sir. Respected Principal, Dr. M. Lakshmikant Reddy sir, and Director Academics, Dr. R. Sullivan sir, and all HODs, and my dear colleagues, and Honorable Chief Guest Dr. P. Raja sir. S60's AICTE ATAL sponsored FDP hosted by Mother Teresa Institute of Engineering and Technology and AICTE Delhi on advanced technique in space-based solar power generation. MTIET was established in 2010. MTIET built with a vision to integrate academic knowledge, research, industry experience, and international exposure to provide students a holistic learning experience. I feel privileged to introduce Dr. M. Ravindra Babu sir, correspondent and secretary of MTA Group of Institutions. He always focuses vision and mission of MTIET and encouraging the staff and faculty, students to build their stream of academic development and leadership qualities. The institute has since then grown greatly under the dynamic and inspiring chairmanship of Mr. M.R. Sunil sir. He is a great supporter, great enthusiast, represents a commitment towards the goal and growth of MTIET. That is extraordinary, sir. It is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our chief guest, Dr. P. Raja sir, in this occasion. Dr. P. Raja has been working as a professor at NIT Trichinopoli. He is well known for his enlightened paper publications and research projects. The institution is grateful to you, sir, for having kindly accepted our invitation and for sparing your valuable time to honor us by being our chief guest on this occasion. Before we begin this FDP, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all HODs, teaching and non-teaching faculties who sincerely committed to this event to make it a successful. This event would have been impossible without the support of the participants present over here. Thank you all.
Now, I request Dr. Lakshmikant Reddy, Principal of MTIET, to read the address for our Faculty Development Program.
Honorable Chairman, today is having urgent work, he went outside. We M.R. Sunil Garu, Secretary and Correspondent. M. Ravindra Babu Garu. Today's chief guest, A. Raja sir, Professor from NIT Trichy, and he is the resource person for today's program, and Dr. Sarvana sir, Academic Director, my friend Dr. A. Venkatarav sir, Principal, MBA College, Mother Teresa Institutions, and my learned HODs, faculty members, and faculty members from various institutes and research scholars. Good morning, all of you. It is a great privilege and achievement for conducting this one-week faculty development program, which is sponsored by ATAL FDP program by AICTE, and the topic is also a very good topic: advanced technique in space-based solar energy generation, solar power generation. Generally, we'll come across various power generation. We know the power requirement, electricity requirement is increasing from day to day, and we want huge power generation coming days. But resources are limited. Generally, we'll have thermal power, hydropower, tidal power, nuclear power, and wind power. generally we will see these power generations in originally, but our requirement is huge. For that, we must go for renewable energy sources. This is the solar power is one of the best solution to reach the demand of the world. And if you want to on the earth, if you want to generate solar power, there may be so many obstacles, weather conditions, and day or night. This is all there. But this topic, space-based solar power generation, space-based solar power generation, we can continuously can generate the solar power with the help of this technique. There are a lot of this research is started in 1940s in fiction way, but it is realistically it came in between 1968 to 73, and so many countries are looking for this space-based solar power generation, especially Japan, China, America, Germany and Britain. They are looking for, now India is also entered into this research. I congratulate Dr. Sarvana sir for selecting this innovative topic for all members through this faculty development program. Now India is also entering into the research in space-based solar power generation, but now it is slightly higher cost compared to natural power generation. China is aiming in 2030 to develop 1 megawatt power from the space-based solar power energy. We also India also is striving to develop this techniques for getting solar power through space, and there are so many techniques, and the resource persons will explain you about this space-based solar power generation. I request all the members actually involved in this FDP program with interacting the resource persons, because they have a lot of knowledge about this topics. With these few comments, I say thanks all the members who have registered, because nowadays FDP programs conducting offline is very difficult. Most of the faculty are busy with their schedules, and the research scholars also they are busy. But we have got a tremendous response from various states, and also I thank all the members who are coming here and attending this FDP program. With this few comments, I say thanks to all of you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Now, I request Dr. Venkat Rao, Principal of Mother Teresa Institute of Management, to introduce.
Respected Principal of AICTE, Dr. Dr. Rajas, Professor NIT, Dr. Sevan sir, and all the HODs who are behind this wonderful program. Normally you don't have privilege to hear the talk of a professor of NIT. It's rare opportunity, because even we don't have that privilege when we are studying the olden days. So you are lucky to hear the voice of NIT here. For that, I congratulate Sharman sir for taking the efforts to bring such a gentleman to MTIET. And behind this, I know the hard work of all the HODs who are here. They have been wonderful, magnanimous towards the development of the students as well as the faculty. Motivation to bring the glory of Managers of Engineering and Technology in this part of the world. So in this connection, I am very happy that 20 students from MBA are participating here, post-graduate students. I thank the principal and director for extending opportunity to learn a dry area, which is very, very essential for the MBA students right now, because everybody is looking for computer science based programs, AI, CSC, DS, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics. These are the areas where people are looking for. But I always suggest choose dry area. This is dry area where you can have wonderful opportunities. Very big, huge opportunities are there in this area. In coming years, it's going to be, as far as business is concerned, it's going to rock within 5 years, down the line 5 years from now. So if at all, if you get an opportunity, I'm just talking about MBA students, if you get an opportunity to enter into this area, you will have a bright future. So with these comments, I once again congratulate all the members who have been registered over here. And as I said, rightly said by our principal sir, participate actively, learn something good from this, take away some good note on this, and then build your career in a wonderful way. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. R. Sharvanand, Director Academics, to share the introduction about the program.
Good morning all. I heartily welcome on the behalf of Maratha Science Staff Engineering and Technology, alumni. MTIET is delighted and honored to host the one-week AICTE ATAL sponsored FDP on Advanced Technique in Space-Based Solar Power Generation. This FDP is principally designed to enhance our knowledge in space and defense. FDP enhances our technical skills in space-based solar power generation. This program highlights the fundamental and case studies of space-based solar generation. Now, I outlined about the coming one-week FDP as follows. In the first day, resource person Dr. P. Raja brief about introduction of space-based solar power generation. In the second day, Dr. S. Jeevanandam, Professor Pondicherry Engineering College, explained about benefits and challenges of solar generation. The session followed by Dr. C. Kannan, Associate Professor, handled the hands-on session. In the third day, Mr. N. Venkatramana, Deputy Director, DRDO, planned to deliver the system used in power generation. In the fourth day, Dr. N. Stalin, Professor, Anna University, explained about solar technology in brief. Fifth day, planned to visit National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, Tirupati. End session taken by Dr. G.V. Nagesh Kumar, JNUA, handled the fruitful session. I take this opportunity to thank our respected correspondent, Dr. M. Ravindra Babu, for his handwork in developing MTIET. We are grateful to our beloved chairman, Mr. M. R. Sunil, for the vision and the commitment to our staff and students' professional development at the MTIET. MTIET wants to offer thanks to our regarded chief guest, Dr. P. Raja, NIT Trichy. In closing, I wish to express my gratitude to all participants for their cooperation and contribution to the FDP, and thanks to AICTE ATAL for providing great opportunity and necessary funding. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I am going to introduce our chief guest, Dr. P. Rajan. It is a privilege to introduce our chief guest for today's faculty development program organized by AICTE Dr. P. Raja, currently an associate professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at NIT Trichy. Dr. Raja has been an integral part of this esteemed institution since 2006. Prior to his tenure at NIT Trichy, he contributed his expertise as a senior lecturer at the Amrita School of Engineering in Bangalore and as a lecturer at a PSNA College of Engineering and Technology in Hyderabad. Dr. Raja's research interests are diverse and impactful: electrical machines, power system production, and renewable power generation, with over 33 publications in reputed journals and more than 30 contributions to international conferences. He is a recognized leader in his field. Beyond his research, Dr. Raja has played a crucial role in academic administration at NIT Trichy. He has served as Associate Dean of Academics, First Year Coordinator, and as a member of the MBA Institution Task Force. Currently, he chairs Swayambhu Initiative at NIT Trichy, showcasing his commitment to enhancing educational opportunities for both faculty and students. Dr. Raja is actively involved in significant research projects, including a joint DST initiative focused on the development of a DC microgrid with wireless communication valued at 33 lakhs. He is also engaged with an MEIT funded project on wireless sensor nodes for the online transfer parameters from electrical machines and drives with a budget of Rs 55 lakhs. Furthermore, he is a core faculty member of the Center of Excellence for Energy Harvesting and Storage Technology at NIT Trichy. As a senior member of IEEE, a fellow of the Institution of Engineers, and a life member of ISTE, Dr. Raja's contributions to engineering education and research are truly commendable. His international experience as a visiting researcher at the University of Western Ontario, Canada, further enriches his perspective and expertise. Please join me in extending warm welcome to Dr. P. Raja. We look forward to insights and valuable contributions during this program. Thank you. Now I request our Chief Guest, Dr. P. Raja, to deliver address.
Very good morning to all of you. And it is a very it's an honor, I would say, to stand in front of many engineers and managers. And I must thank the organizers for inviting me to this workshop, the faculty development program. And I must thank the principal and the chairman of this institution. I heard about this institution very long back, but this is the very first time I'm here in person. And it's a wonderful campus. When I entered, climate invited me a lot because Trichy is rare to see such a climate. When it comes to climate, it's all about energy, and this entire FDP is also about energy harvesting. So harvesting is a very interesting term in all languages. We celebrate harvesting, right? In Tamil Nadu we celebrate Pongal. In Andhra you celebrate Sankrant. Yes, right? So we all celebrate harvesting. So we must celebrate energy harvesting also. But there is no day for energy harvesting, because every day we need that energy. We have to harvest energy wherever possible, whenever possible. And there are a lot of challenges in harvesting, because we know how a farmer harvests. He has a lot of things to take care from the inception of the seed, right? So similarly, it is not that easy to harvest energy as the form we like. When I say as the form we like, if you look at very olden days, the farmers just passed the raw paddy or any material. We had food like that.
then we process the food. Now we eat, all we eat are processed, starting from the rice we eat and whatever, you name anything, it is processed. But the thing is, we have not gone into the level of processing like Western countries do, because they have already tin foods. We have not gone to that level. We have to thank our ancestors for not introducing that. Let us also take that as a example of not introducing tin foods to our future generation. When I say that, equally you should look at that is applicable for energy harvesting also. We have not processed many energy. We utilize assets. How do you dry your cloth? Even now we just put it under sunlight. Right? So it is a direct harvesting. But when there is no sun, how do you dry your cloth? You switch on fans and you need some energy, right? And now without electricity, no one can imagine their world. So electricity is a processed food. Electricity is not a direct food. It is already processed. But we were not introduced to pizza. We were not introduced to, name anything further processed. The demand came. We all came into a very, I would say, very fast life. We need all things instantaneous nowadays. And if I extend this talk to another 5 minutes, you will be bored. There's no doubt. And whenever you look for a video on YouTube or any other forum, many look at what is the duration of video first. If it is less than 10 minutes, okay. I was talking about 5 years back. Now shorts. Right? Now it has come capsules. So we want everything instantaneous and very fast. And people don't like air conditioner getting chilled your room little later. They want now. I switch on, I should get chillness. And the kids are also like that. You take school-going kids. All instantaneous gratitude. And you should appreciate them instantaneously. If you don't recognize them instantaneously, they don't recognize you. That's the truth. It is very difficult to reverse it. Very difficult. I won't say it is impossible, but it is very difficult because we all started living with that. You take an example of your mobile phone. Take an example of communication today we have. We are all instantaneous. I still remember my life in IIT Madras postgraduate. I was just away from my hometown, 12 hours travel on the road. It is 600 kilometers away. IIT Madras is 600 kilometers from my hometown. Every week, I collect 4 or 5 letters, handwritten letters. The Saturday, Sunday, I should spend at least more than an hour to replies. That was the communication. I am talking about 2000, just 24 years. Now, people come to know what I am doing now. I had sent a message to my family. I started my talk. But imagine if we would have been in another place. Say 2000. They don't even come to know that whether I reached. Now I got into the bus. I am in railway station. I am in bus. This is the seat number. This is where I am. This I had. This I ate. This I am drinking. What so on. But when you have such system, equally it brings challenges. Suppose if you are away from communication for 1 hour, 30 minutes, it creates anxiety to us as well as the other person. Same thing applicable for energy harvesting also. If you don't create energy conversion faster enough, instantaneous, people won't appreciate that energy conversion. When I say won't appreciate, you will not get paid. I mean, you need money, right? When you harvest and transport, you have a lot of generation coming. Tamil Nadu has Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, AP has its own electricity board. Right? This is also getting changed nowadays. Because we were all called, even now Tamil Nadu, we are called consumers of electricity. We should become customers of electricity. I think since we have MBA students, what is the difference between consumers and customers? You are trying to translate what it is.
Consumer is the end user of the product.
Consumer is the end user of the product. Any other answer? What is the difference between customer and consumer? Give me a basic example. Assume 100% I am not from your management studies. I am an engineer. If you can give me, if you can educate me, what is the difference between consumer and customer, I will be happy. So there is a meaning for this. I will explain why this question is. I make it very simple always to my students. If you go to a ration shop, you are a consumer. If you go to a retail shop, you are a customer.